Hi guys, welcome to what I think is episode 11. Today I will be finishing the underside, getting that ready for primer. Try and get that in primer today so it can be drying. Then hopefully tomorrow I will be able to make a start on stone chip, which will be a massive checkpoint, which I'm more than happy with. I would imagine that's going to take most of today. But if it doesn't, then I will make a start on assembling the front subframe. As you can see in the background, possibly, the front subframe is all painted. As you saw towards the end of the last episode, I'll put a picture in. It's come out really nice, happy with it. It's as I said yesterday, it's not perfect. I've painted it using paint that came with the car. When I bought it, I haven't gone out and bought anything special. At some point I probably will get it powder coated. I'll get front and rear subframes powder coated. That's a couple of years down the line. That's not on my agenda at the moment. So I can start building that up now it's all fully dried. And yeah, please like, comment and subscribe. Pretty good feedback so far, so very happy with it. Again, doing my best to minimise the ums and ahs. It's it's trickier than I thought it would be, but I'm doing my best to consciously make an effort not to say it as much. So let's get into it. Also, trying to add, I had a bit of help from my son this morning, my 2-year-old son. We decided to just put new bushes in the angle grinder. That seems to work much better. I'll insert a picture here. And yeah, so that seems to be working, so hopefully that should now do the rest of the underside. Fingers crossed. Right, so that's all of the underside completely in primer, ready for stone chip, which I am ecstatic about. It was really hard work with the grinder, but I'm glad I persevered with it. It looks a million times better than it did. Hopefully by the time the stone chip's on, it's going to look even better. So, right guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for sticking with me. Finally managed to get all of the underside in primer, so next step is to stone chip it all, which I think is going to make a massive difference to the whole thing. It already looks a million times better than it did when I started, and the main thing is it's got no rust holes, so really looking forward to doing that. We've got a lot of prep with still left to do with regards to masking stuff off. I know Gravitex stuff can make quite a mess, so I've got to try and find a way of masking off the majority of the car and everything else in the garage as best I can. It's not the end of the world if I do get some on the body of the car, because it's all got to be sanded back anyway. So it's not the end of the world, but I want to try and minimise it as best I can. So yeah, so thanks for sticking with me. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.